Okay guys, welcome back for the day 8. Today we'll be learning about the webhook and the function nodes that will return the custom JSON with the local time. First I want to show you a little trick. We have the webhook here. Okay, on the path we type receive data, and on the response we put when last node finishes, the option. Okay, that is the test URL. Let's copy the test here. Okay, and let's paste it in browser. Okay, you need to open to execute the overflow first, and now you will see that this is on the execution mode, and the overflow has been started. Okay, let's make a query where on this query we need to get the name and the email of one person. Okay, let's execute, and let's put in browser. I have this code, this link for the test from the webhook test. Okay, and let's see now. Okay, we have here the query, where the query we give the name and surname. I put Alex, and the email alex.alex@gmail.com. Okay, and the URL is this. We put the URL, and after URL we put the name and surname, my name, and the email. And after we click on this, you need to execute the overflow. And now this will show the other type. You see, we are on the execution mode test, and the query that will show us what you sent it. Okay, that is the trick for the test mode. For the production, you need this URL. Let's copy, and you need to activate the overflow. Okay, let's type the execute again and put this link from the production. Okay, you see here we have on the execution mode the production. On the query we don't have nothing because we didn't send nothing. Okay, let's send on the production the link here. Also name and surname. Okay, and let's see. You see now we have the execution mode, that is production, and also on the query we have the name and surname and the email. Okay, that is the trick with webhook only. Let's stop it, and now we have also a function here. That function will get the name and the email from the webhook. Let's unite it. Okay, activate, deactivate. Let's activate again. Okay, let's execute the workflow, and now you'll see here. Let's test it. Okay, and you see now, welcome Alex, your email is alex@example.com that I receive on today on 10 and 20 am. On the function we have the receive at the new date and JSON query.name, and email also JSON query.email, and those JSON we get from our link that you type here, the name, and that is Alex, and the email. Okay, we can put here let's type Alexandru and 3. Let's oh need okay, we see all this updated. Alex, your email, welcome Alexandru, your email is this, and also the date has been updated. Okay, so I hope you like what you learned from today. See you in next video, guys, with day 9. Bye bye.